The New Industrial State by John Kenneth Galbraith. The New Industrial State by John Kenneth Galbraith is a seminal work in the field of economics that explores the changing nature of capitalism in the post-World War II era. Here is a 10-point summary of the book. Galbraith argues that the traditional notion of a free market economy governed by supply and demand no longer holds in the modern industrialized society. He proposes a new economic model called the planning system, where large corporations, rather than individual consumers, are the primary drivers of the economy. The planning system is characterized by oligopolies, or a few dominant firms that have significant control over the market. These firms use their power to control prices, wages, and production, leading to a stable but stagnant economy. Galbraith argues that the planning system is necessary to prevent economic instability and ensure full employment. He identifies several features of the planning system, including the separation of ownership and control, the role of advertising in creating demand, and the importance of government intervention to regulate the market. Galbraith also discusses the role of technology in the planning system, arguing that it allows for the efficient production of goods, but can also lead to waste and environmental degradation. He proposes several policy recommendations to address the shortcomings of the planning system, such as increased government investment in infrastructure and education, more progressive taxation, and greater regulation of corporate behavior. Galbraith also critiques the prevailing economic theories of his time, particularly the neoclassical school of thought, which he argues fails to account for the realities of the planning system. Overall, Galbraith's book offers a thought-provoking critique of capitalism in the modern era and proposes a new economic model that seeks to balance efficiency, stability, and equity. Like and subscribe for more content.